Have you ever thought about starting a career in sim racing and wondered what gear to invest in? If so, it's time to leave behind outdated gear-driven and belt-driven systems. That's in the past. Direct drive systems have become the standard today, offering higher precision and a much more realistic driving experience. Today, I'm introducing the MOZA Racing R5 bundle, which I received in collaboration with MOZA Racing. This set is ideal for both beginners and experienced sim racers. Its compact size allows it to fit perfectly into any simulator setup, while its powerful force feedback, with 5.5 Newton-meters of torque, compared to the 4 Newton-meters previously we used, delivers a level of control that's incredibly precise and realistic. One of the standout features of the R5 bundle is its fantastic quick-release system, making it incredibly easy to attach and remove the wheel. This feature allows you to effortlessly swap out the standard R5 11-inch wheel with other compatible MOZA racing wheels. Additionally, the standard R5 steering wheel can easily be replaced with options like the ES 12-inch wheel module or the ES Formula wheel. There's no need to change the base. Simply unscrew 6 screws, swap the wheels, and you're good to go. All the buttons on the base remain fully functional, making the R5 adaptable to any driving style. Another impressive advantage of the R5 is its quiet operation. Unlike older gear and belt systems, this direct drive base operates smoothly and quietly, making it perfect for longer sessions without distracting noise. The pedal set included in the R5 bundle is also top-notch. Constructed entirely of metal, including the contact platforms, these pedals offer a quality build you rarely find at this price point. Many competing pedal sets still use plastic components, but MOZA Racing has gone the extra mile with a design built for durability and realistic feel. Perhaps the best part? For such an affordable price, you get all the sensations of driving a real car. The R5 bundle provides everything you need to get started, but you can add more pieces over time as you customize your setup. All MOZA devices connect seamlessly with each other, allowing you to expand your rig as you see fit. If you're looking to experience sim racing at its best, the MOZA Racing R5 bundle is one of the top choices available right now. We're putting it to the test in our simulator, making sure it offers the kind of precision every sim racer desires. So, if you're considering getting into sim racing equipment, the MOZA Racing R5 could be exactly what takes your setup to the next level.